Here's another great affiliate program you can join. Just like others I have posted about, this affiliate program is a good addition to your affiliate marketing portfolio. You can make a good commission month after month. Check this out. RD.com sells travel insurance. Billions of people travel every month and many of them like to travel safely, mitigating risk and are willing to pay for it. That means your opportunity to make money is huge. Selling travel insurance is easier than many other niches as most travelers never stop traveling. So, multiple sales can be made to a single person over and over again. Travel insurance keywords are searched over 365,000 times per month. This provides a great opportunity for you to make sales using keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in prominent places all over the web. The average sell is around $75 plus and affiliates receive 15% of each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links in search engine results. This is a good affiliate program for beginners, intermediate and professional affiliates. Download this free guide below and learn how to position and drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need below.